Most students lose marks not because they're not intelligent, but because they structure their project the wrong way. Welcome to Expert-Hive Freelance Services. In this video, you will learn how to write a research project. If you're writing a research project, final year project, thesis, or dissertation, this video will save you months of confusion. Today, I'll show you the exact structure you should follow, from Chapter 1 to Chapter 5. Welcome to Expert-Hive Freelance Services, where we help students understand, structure, and submit quality academic work with confidence. Let's break this down step by step. Chapter 1 is your introduction. It typically includes background of the study, statement of the problem, and your aim and objectives. It also covers research questions, significance of the study, and scope. This chapter explains what your research is about and why it matters. Chapter 2 is your literature review. Here, you review what other researchers have said. You compare ideas, identify gaps, and show how your study adds value. Chapter 3 explains how you conducted your research. It covers your design, population, data collection, and analysis techniques. How did you carry out your study? Chapter 4 presents your findings through tables, charts, and statistical analysis. Do not mix this with discussion unless your institution allows it. Chapter 5 concludes your project with a summary of findings, conclusions, and recommendations. This is where you wrap everything up clearly. Avoid 3 common mistakes: poor structure, wrong referencing style, and a weak discussion section. Avoid these, and your project improves immediately. If you need help choosing a topic or structuring your chapters, visit us at www.experthivetutors.com. We provide step-by-step support to help you submit confidently. If this video helped you understand project writing better, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We post practical academic tutorials every week. And if you want personalized guidance, our tutors are ready to help you. See you in the next video.